Good morning, teacher. My name is Villagran, and today I'm going to explain about the easy, fast ways to learn a new language. Okay, go ahead. We have here the slide shares. First, I'm going to start with a motivational phrase, and the motivational phrase is all things are difficult before they are easy. Thomas Fuller. Here we have the cover information, the easy fast ways to learn a new language. As I mentioned before, my name is Great Villagran. I'm going to explain this. Here we have a Google Mind about the easy fast ways to learn a new language. I'm going to do more bigger, okay? Here we have a Google Mind. First, the easy fast ways to learn a new language. In the first part, we have read books and watch movies and series, but you can need to read books and comics or also watch movies and series in the language that you can want to learn. If you want to learn English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, or another language, you need to watch movies and series in that language, okay? And also we have here traveling abroad. If you want to travel abroad, you have the opportunity to talk with native speakers and also know the culture. If you know the culture, you can introduce the language little by little. And also if you travel abroad to another country, for example, if you want to learn English, you can travel to England or United States. You have the opportunity to talk with native speakers, and you can improve your language, and also you can learn the language. Also, we have another easy, fast way to learn a new language is the play games. But you can play games in the language that you can learn. For example, in my case, I want to learn English. I play games in English language because in that form I can understand vocabulary, and also we can internalize some words that you need to talk in English. And also you can use flashcards. Flashcards is a really easy way to learn vocabulary. For example, if you need to know family vocabulary, you can do, and also you can find in the internet flashcards about family vocabulary, wild animal, domestic animal, numbers, letters. And also if you want to travel abroad, you can find in internet flashcards about airport vocabulary. Also, if you want to learn a language in a fast way, you can use several apps. For example, Duolingo, Kahoot, Zoom, Tinder, Instagram, Facebook. Because if you use Instagram, you can know foreign people and you can speak with those people. In that form, you can improve your language, improve your knowledge, and also you can speak. You have the opportunity to produce a language, and that is a interesting way to learn a language. Also, for example, if you love music, if you love to listen another opinions of people, you can listen podcast or music, but in English or French or Spanish or whatever the language you want to learn. For example, in my case, I love to listen in English music, Shawn Mendes, Michael Jackson, James As, and also in that form you can learn a language. Okay? Here we have, and also learn a language consists in learn vocabulary, conversation, and language. So here we have the questionnaire and bibliography. Thank you. for your attention. Bye, teacher.